2026 Ford F-150. Here's a detailed overview of the 2026 Ford F-150. Its engines, specs, technology, trim levels, changes from prior years, and what to know if you're considering one. Trim levels and pricing. The 2026 F-150 is offered in 8 main trim levels: XL, STX, XLT, Lariat, King Ranch, Platinum, Tremor, and Raptor. Sample pricing, USA, from a recent review. Base XL 2WD regular cab 8-foot box, approximately USD $39,885. Mid-range XLT 2WD super cab 6.5-foot box, approximately USD $47,290. Higher trims like Lariat, King Ranch, and Platinum climb into the USD $60K to $75K range. The Raptor at approximately USD $81,600 in the listing. Keep in mind, pricing will vary by options, drivetrain, 2WD or 4WD, bed size, cab style, and destination charges. Engine and powertrain options. The 2026 F-150 offers a variety of engines to suit different use cases. Engine, key specs, notes. 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6, approximately 325 horsepower, 400 pound-feet of torque. Entry-level turbo V6. 5.0-liter TIV CT V8, approximately 400 horsepower, 410 pound-feet of torque. Traditional V8 choice. 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6, approximately 500 pound-feet of torque in some configurations. Stronger turbo V6. 3.5-liter PowerBoost full hybrid V6, approximately 430 horsepower, 570 pound-feet of torque for some configurations. Hybrid option combining efficiency and power. High-output supercharged versions, e.g. the Raptor, gets up to approximately 640 pound-feet of torque in some variants. Performance off-road specialty. Transmission, a 10-speed automatic is standard across most powertrains. Drivetrain, you'll find 2WD and 4WD versions depending on trim and option. Towing, payload, and capability. Maximum towing varies by engine, cab, bed, and axle. With the 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6, up to approximately 13,500 pounds max available tow rating. With the 3.5-liter PowerBoost hybrid, up to 11,600 pounds. With the 2.7-liter EcoBoost, 8,400 pounds in some configurations. Bed sizes and cab styles. Regular cab, 6.5-foot or 8-foot box. Super cab, typically 6.5-foot box. Super Crew, 5.5-foot or 6.5-foot box. Dimensions, depending on configuration, include overall length up to approximately 228.1 inches and width approximately 79.9 inches, excluding mirrors and many trims.